Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw the flag of Jamaica. Let's start the drawing here because you know that flag, this is a rectangular shape. Now we are going to draw the important parts inside. So the black outline is done. Now I'm going to outline the green part. Looks like the flag from inside is divided like the diagonal lines. You can see this way and that way. Now let's fill up the middle spaces with the yellow color. Hmm. আচ্ছা তাতে যাই না দেহন লাগবে ডিপে ছিল তাহলে খেজুরের রস all right. Now we're going to put the black color on this side. Okay, so this is the black color. Also black color you can see in this side, left side. All right, now we're going to put the green color on these two parts. Alright, so this is the flag of Jamaica. You can see the usual shapes and the characteristics of the Jamaican national flag. I hope you like the video. Please subscribe the channel as you like it and put the bell icons on. You can also browse through the playlist for drawings of different categories. Thank you so much. Have a good day.